Did I give it all?
Oh, wow.
Rapunzel, right down your hair.
Ellie, you get to fix her hair.
I love fixing hair.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then I think you can do her nails too.
We can?
You get to practice painting nails. Look at Cecily looking at it.
You like that,
We think
huh?
so.
That's pretty, isn't it?
Help. Look at me.
You want help? You want help?
It's Allison's
She
though.
might leave it up. She might leave it closed.
Ask Allison. Maybe y'all can open it in a little bit. We're not done opening presents yet though, sweetie.
I am, but let's get them. I got them.
Oh, you're welcome. Oh, that was a good pun. All right, come on, one more picture.
Like over, you got her dress all over her nose.
Oh, that's cute.
She hugged me good.
Who's up next?
Cooper.
Cooper.
Yeah,
Cooper.
Alan, that'll be fun.
That would be so
Cooper Adam Ford.
Got a bracelet?
Yeah, I made
Nice.
Is that for you? I got a candy cane.
Cool.
What's that from?
All right.
Yay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I know we got away, baby.
Oh, bro.
Big ol' hug.
Yeah, don't touch her.
Nice hug, nice hug.
Whose turn?
All right.
I think it's Cecily's turn again.
Please.
Cecily, your turn again.
So you can open the big one? Not yet. Okay. Start. Open it. Cecily, open it.
I'm good. Cecily, let's see.
Ready, set, go.
What did you get? I want out.
I want out.
Ow.
Who's this from?